Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to create a book landing page for your WordPress site. So from the dashboard, we're going to click on Pages and click Add New. So it's going to be a simple landing page for a book. I already have the content ready. So just follow along as I type title, type image. I'm going to type image, and we want to create a cover image, so I'm going to use this image as a cover image. I'm going to make it widescreen, full width, and I'm going to turn it to a cover. So this will be the header. And I'm going to change this to heading, and I'll select H1. Text will be white, and click on this image and edit the cover overlay to 70. I'm going to make this text bigger, the default size. So we'll click here and delete this. Click Publish. Okay, so I'm going to make the height of this cover 500 pixels. Okay, so that's the first part. Well, that's the header part. The next step is to put the book, the content and the book. So I'm going to make a group, and highlighting the group, I'm going to make the background for the group white. Then I'm going to add an image in media, mixed media and text. And so here I will upload the image for the book, and here I will upload the content. This is going to be bullet points. Okay. Then I'm going to add some pizzazz to the page. So first of all, we are going to make this group wide, full width, so that when we click updates, you can see it's full width. Okay, so the next step is to add another image at the bottom. So I'm going to click here, and I'll add image, upload, and I click the stop image and click open. I'm going to make it full width. I'm going to make the resolution full size, and I'll click update. Let's take a look. Refresh. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So let's continue. I'm going to add another block. A group. And we are going to make the background of the group this color. So click here and press that, press paste it, sorry to say, and then press enter. Press update and refresh the page to take a look. Okay. The next thing I want to do is to create a column of 3 columns, a group of 3 columns. So I'll type column and select 3 by 3. And then I want to create buttons. Get on Amazon. Buttons. Get on Kobo. Buttons. Get the PDF. Okay. And click update. So refresh. Okay, you can see that this is not widespread. It's not full width. So let's make it full width. So we're going to highlight this. Click on this and click on this and click the group and then select full width and then click update. So when we refresh, it becomes full width. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to style the buttons. So I'm going to copy this color code and I'll click on each button and I'll click this design tab. Background, I want it to be this color and I want the text to be this color. And press enter and click update. I'm doing the same for this. So click this background, this color, and then click on text and click this and press Ctrl V to paste the color code and press enter and press update and click this one. The same thing, the same process, and press update. So let's take a look. Control refresh and you can see it's showing now. Then I'm going to add the links to the buttons. So I'm going to highlight these links and press enter. Then I want the links to open in a new tab, so I'm going to press that and I'll press save. Then I'll do the same for Kobo and get the PDF. So press the link, click paste, press enter, click the pencil icon, click open a new tab and click save. Same thing for the next button. Press enter, click the pencil icon, check open a new tab, click save and click update. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to add something like this but in reverse. So I'll press this and I'll press image, press enter and I'll click upload, select bottom, click open and then I'll click update. I want this to be full screen, full width, so full width, and then resolution should be full size. Open update, and then when I click refresh, you can see this is what it looks like. So this is the landing page for the book, and if you click this get on Amazon, it opens in a new page, and this one opens in a new page, and this also opens in a new page. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that you can receive more videos like this one. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.